Welcome to Friendship Vlogs. Today is another day of cooking session to me. So today's video is I'm going to cook fish, escabeche fish. So come and join me, and let's see how am I going to do it. And so for today's ingredients, I have this fish. Pero sorry kayo, nakalimot ko sa pangalan. This is freshly catch from the Bay. And this is pineapple chunks, tomato sauce, capsicum, ginger. I have garlic and onion. So karon ibutang na ako ang isda as what I see. Mag-init ng siguro ni siya. So I'm going to start with this. So I'll wait till it cooks and we'll see later. Magkaroon guys, naluto na nga ito ang fish. Look at that. So ang ato ang fish, I'll make it sure nga dili kayo siya gahi para easy ang absorption sa sauce na to niya. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saute our ingredients. So flex na nakalimtan ako ganyan ang ato ang tomato. So I'm going to start with garlic, onion, ginger, and tomato. So now I'm going to saute our ingredients. Preheat na ako ang oil. So ready na siya. So let's start with garlic. So saute lang natin siya. And then I'm going to put the onion. Ginger. So, saute lang natin siya until golden brown. Well, not really golden. Basta na medyo brown na siya. So, saute. Oh, this fish is called queen fish. So, according to my cousin, ang iyang bana nakakuhaan is called queen fish. So, nakuha rin nila is through ko ng tingwit, ilang tingwit. So, in fairness, dagko kayo ilang isda dito. So, ilang na ito siya. Wait until it turns so na medyo golden brown na ako ang mga lamas. Next na ko ibutang is tomato. Saute lang natin siya hanggang mag-soft. Bago natin ibutang natin isda. Medyo soft na nga itong tomato. Next na ako ibutang na ako ang isda. So, para siya. So, this. Ko ang isda na medyo kamay ang karahay nakalaha. Mix siya. Next na kong ibutang sa tomato sauce. Let's see. Next is pineapple chunks. Ito ang pineapple. Hilig pa ko siya. So, ito ang capsicum. Then, ito siyang kabiran and we'll let it simmer. So, nag-boil na siya. But I'm going to add half cup of water. Yung medyo thick ang ito ang tomato sauce. So, let's simmer it and like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It's boiling now and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. So na-season din ako siya with salt and pepper. And mix lang nato. And itong keep it simmer until mabalance ang yung taste. At medyo hubas na siya. So aas nga mag-dissolve ko lang ato ang seasoning sa fish. So leave it a few minutes more. So na lang ato ang finished product. Ang ako ang my own style of escabeche. So it's not perfect and I don't know kung saan yung style sa escabeche, pero best escabeche na akong na dapat escabeche is bulad. You know, the dried fish escabeche is one of the best. So, okay, wala may bulad dire. Na bulad pero sa nasa mga Philippine market available. Pero, dire kay isda ang available. So, isda ang akong gigamit. So, here it comes. So, this is my own style of escabeche. I know there's a lot of different style, but this is my own version. Hope you like it. I'm going to taste it now. Super tasty. And I'm going to end it, guys, and until our next cooking session, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Hantod sa sunod. Keep safe, everyone. Be kind and take care, everybody. So see you next time. Bye.